Welcome back to our channel, family. For this video, we've prepared smoked turkey lentil soup. We started by preparing some fresh green seasoning. For that, we use sprigs of fresh thyme, green onions, garlic cloves, celery leaf, and cilantro leaves, all coarsely chopped. Next, using a blender, we added 1/3 cup of water and then the herbs. We blended the ingredients until finely minced. The exact measurements and ingredients are listed below in the description. We then added the fresh seasoning to our smoked turkey. We thoroughly mixed until all the turkey was well coated. After that, we store the turkey overnight. Time to make the soup. We started by mincing the garlic. Then chopping the onions, celery, carrots, and tomatoes. In a large pot, we placed 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil over medium-high heat. Once hot, we added the onions and cooked them for 2 to 3 minutes until they were translucent. Then we added the garlic and cooked it for an additional 1 to 2 minutes. Next, we added in the turkey and chicken stock. We raised the temperature to high and brought it to a rolling boil. While the turkey was tenderizing, we soaked the lentils in water and removed any impurities. We cooked it for 30 minutes until the turkey was tender. Once the turkey was tender, we added in the lentils and vegetables to the pot. When it began boiling again, we lowered the heat to medium. Next, we diced some green onions and cilantro. We added some browning to enhance the color of the soup. Once the vegetables were soft, we checked the salt content. We decided to add a Maggi cube as well as some salted butter, but this is totally optional. Once the flavor was where we wanted it, we added in the freshly cut herbs. And that's it. Time to eat.
Did you like the video? If so, thumbs up please. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now.